Hello, friends. So, as we have discussed stack data structure in my previous video, sorry, and this time I'm going to write the program whatever I have discussed with you. So, in stack, as this is the linear data structure, and there are three main operations like push means if you want to uh, enter the element or insert the element into the stack. Second is pop if you want to remove the element, and when you remove the element, it is removed from the top. And third operation is peak element, means the top element. So peak function or peak operation is applied here. So all these three user defined functions you will create in Python. So how to create the program in Python? Just come to the Python ideally. So this is Python ideally, and here we'll create a program on stack operations. For that, I'm going to create a new file. It's a new file, and here the first step which I am going to take, because I am going to maintain a stack in list in Python. So first of all, we would like to initialize the stack. So I'm taking stack as a variable, and this is of type list. Initially, this is empty, and we might check whether stack is empty or full. Full because in Python, if you add elements to the list, it does not deny you to taking your element. So we are not going to check whether list is full, but of course, yes, if you are going to pop the element, means you are going to delete the element, we have the option to check. So whether the stack is empty or not, so we'll start from the function. I mean, the mean means the main program, and the main program is having five options. So we are starting with options. While true means as long as my process is on continued, or my process is continued, it will work. And if any abrupt operation is applied, then it automatically comes out. So while true, print \t for tab the stack operations, and we want some empty lines, so I'm including \n as escape sequence character, and then creating the menu. Print option number one, push element. Option number two, pop the element. And third element option is three is to peek the element, Fourth is to display all the elements. Display the elements. And fifth is the last option, that is to come out from the while loop. And so this is my menu. And now to get the choices or to get the input, I am choosing an identifier like option is equal to, since option will be an integer, and that is why I'm using integer here. What is your option? So here I'll take option, and then going to check if my option is 1 colon, then a value, we are going to take a value to be inserted. So VL is equal to int input enter integer, and with this value we'll call a function push. Push stack parameter comma value. So this way my element is inserted. If option is equal to 2, I'm going to apply function pop. Pop with stack. And after this option, I'm taking option number 3 to get the peak value. So I'll call function peak and stack. So it will give you the peak value. My next option is to display. Option is equal to 4, then call display stack. And after that, I have to exit, else print thank you for using the stack. And since we have to come out from the scope of the while loop, so I'll have to give break here. So my loop is okay. My from coming out from the loop is okay. Now it's a time to create the functions. The first function is to check whether stack is empty. So is empty is my def is empty and stack. My variable list is stack. Here also I have to use stack as parameter, actual parameter. There also stack 2, I have to use a stack, and then making the function. So this is the parameter is empty if stack is equal to this brackets return true. Means if a stack is empty, it will return true. Yes, this stack is empty or list is empty. Next function is def push stack with value. So here I'll use list stack dot append and the value which we had entered earlier, and after that a message should pop up. The message should be the element in the stack is pushed in. So this option is created. Now the next option, def pop stack. Here I'll have to use if is empty stack print stack is empty. So you cannot pop out the element. Else n is equal to stack dot pop. Pop is the list function, and print and is processed. So pop is clear. After that, the force function def peak stack. If not is empty stack print the peak value is stack -1. Why -1? There is a logic, because your indexes are in increasing order, and so it is determined that the initial index will be 0. But as soon as you move towards right or to towards end of the list, this is unpredictable that what should be the index. And when we move from left to right, indexes are increasing, and when you are moving right to left, indexes are decreasing. So -1 will be the last index. So while moving towards right to left, -1 will be the latest value, or the index of the last value which was inserted. So this way we should use -1 index to get the top element. So this function is also done. Then the next function is def display. How many elements does this stack have? Simply say if not empty, if not is empty, stack print stack. Else print there is no value the stack. That's it. So all the functions are ready. The main function is ready. Main program. Now save it and run it. Stack 2. So this way your program is executed and it shows the menu. And here, if you enter 1 as option, it will ask for the integer. So I have given 90 here. So after taking 90, the menu again appears. And now if you want to display how many elements does this have, so I will choose option 4 and it will show you the 90. Again, I am going to push the element, say 1, and this time I am giving 76. And if you want to see how many elements are there, I'll say 4. It will show you there are the elements. And again, I am going to insert the element or push the element. And this time I am giving 34. So the stack has 3 values, and top of the stack, if you want to find out, I'll choose option 3. So 34 is a peak value. So if I display like 4, this will show you these values, and top element is 34. And suppose I want to remove the element, means 2. If I choose option 2, top element will be deleted, and this time I'm using option 4. This will have only 2 elements. And if I want to end this program, I'll press 5, so it will come out of the loop. What option is 5? Thank you for using stack. So this is the complete program on stack. Hope you like it and you have seen this program carefully. So this is the entire program. When you scroll down, you'll get the entire program slowly. And I'm expecting that you should create your own program and run this program. And if you found any doubt listening the program and seeing the program, kindly comment. And if you are in my school, you can ask me for the code. So we'll be meeting in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye.